gonna be doing a sad video, very sad moment video, and it says right here, as you can see, April Fools isn't a joke. Gotcha Life mini movie. Sad cancer story. I didn't even read that. I honestly didn't. Well, let's watch. It's actually good. Why aren't their mouths all the way open? He's like, I know, right? I know. Happy birthday. Open their gifts. Oh, now they want to open their mouth. But what is the mom saying? Wow. Wow. What is the doctor saying? I can't. Oh my god. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Oh. April Fools. Where is Mommy and Dad? It's my birthday. They should be here. Meanwhile, lol. April Fool. I'm like already heartbroken. Oh my god. I'm heartbroken. If I don't start crying. I honestly hope I don't start crying. Oh, whoa. That just hit me up right there. Honestly, that's kind of sad since their daughter had cancer. They got another daughter. That's really sad. I'm forgetting something. You're forgetting your daughter. I don't want to cry. Because someone was right here. Already crying. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh shit. That like really hit me. As you can see, I'm crying. I am crying. Oh my god. Kate's my daughter. You stole her. I honestly can't believe it's this sad. She didn't steal her. Well, oh, was that her studying teacher? I hope. You're not coming out for 1 whole year. Get him. Oh my god, why is this so sad? Oh my god, I picked this movie and I'm crying. Wow. What's that? I got Kate in the hospital. Rent guy, dude, you haven't paid your bills. I have to kick you out. Oh my god. No, please. I can tell they're on the phone, the emoji. You can't. You are being kicked out. You're so mean. Nope, bye. Oh my god. Week late. Time for school. Oh my god, that's so sad. They have no clothes. The dad is legit just wearing a shirt and a pants, and the mom is just wearing some boots, pants, and a shirt. Oh, and the kids are legit in their underwear and have just shirts on. The Kate, she actually, look at this. She actually, she has shorts on and some socks and a shirt. Bye, mommy. Bye, daddy. Stuff away. What? She did nothing. Blah, blah. Why does it keep popping April? Like April. You, Kate, you got... Oh, you, Kate, you can go to the bathroom. Okay. You better not put your hands on my girl. Drowned? Where? Is she in a tub or something? What? I'm not getting. Oh my god. I'm not getting anything. How did she drown and what did she drown by? Drowned. The end? Okay. That was honestly very, very, very sad. I have to mention it. I cried. But yeah, that was sad. I honestly had to mention that was sad. I don't. And yeah, what's that? Oh my god. It says the girl with no heartbeat. I would be heartbroken if my heart didn't beat. Oh my god. Lucifer's daughter. Wait, is that Lucifer? Or is that Lucifer? Or is she her daughter and she's I miss out on everything. So Mucky. You gotcha studio, gotcha verse, and gotcha life. Gotcha life video. It's gorgeous. Click it to be part of the early squad. I can barely click it. Every time I click it, oh. They don't talk. Pet. What? Why is she scared of me, mommy? Oh, what? Oh, what? At home. Sorry. We grew up happy. We were happy. But then I got my first video game. I totally ditched my sister. That's me. I'm still upset from. I'm still upset from doing that to her. Because I realized what I said to her. Kitty, let's go play in the snow. No, get out of my room. And she's all sad. What kind of brother are you? That was like just so mean. Okay, is he even sick? Oh, he. I should have known. Hey, you ready for school? Oh my god! What thing is this? Is this Gotchaverse? Because I've always been looking for that hair. I cannot find it. Like, it's like a schoolish hairdo. Oof. Try to find it, but can't. What's it on her? Is it cold? Shivers. Takes off his sweater. Puts it on her. Forgive you. I forgot. Oh. Okay. Well, we'll. If it isn't Jenna Logan. Lunch money now. I don't have lunch money. I have cold lunch today. Cold lunch. You asked